Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about 3 lesser known features that could be very productive if you use OneNote. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here you can see I already have open one notebook here. And the first feature that I would like to talk with you about is setting up password. Yes, you heard it right. You can make your notes password protected. For that, simply click here on the section that you want to be password protected. In second last option here, you will see it says that password protect this section. Just click on that. And now click here on set password. Now you need to provide password. Confirm your password. And there we go, guys. In this way, we can enable password in a particular section. Now let me close this. Now let me open it back again. And there we go, guys. Now in order to access this section, we need to enter password. Now let's click here or press enter. And then let's put my password here. So in this way, guys, you can make a section password protected. In case if you want to remove the password, again, I'm gonna make a right click here and then click on password protect this section. Now I'm gonna click here on remove password. Here, enter the password. And there we go. We now have removed our password back from this section. Let's talk about feature number 2. You can extract data out of emails in Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote comes with excellent OCR that can easily read or extract text out of images. Let's try it using one such example. And here, for example, we have got this image. I'm gonna take snip of it. And let's see if we can extract information out of it. Now I'm gonna paste it here and then let's zoom it a bit. Now make right click on it and then we have got this option, copy text from picture. Let's click on it and now I'm gonna paste it here by pressing Ctrl and V. And there we go, guys. Although we were able to extract text out of this picture, but seems like it does not support table. So let's take another use case scenario. And for example, here we can see this image consists of a text which is quite a bit. Now I'm gonna simply drag and drop this image here. Probably I think I will able to do that. There we go. Now let's try to convert or extract text out of it. Copy text from the picture and now let's paste it by pressing Ctrl and V. And there we go. Here we can see we have successfully extracted text out of image. Now let's talk about third and last feature, which is also quite exciting, just like these two features. Let's say I would like to write a formula here. I am using pen tab. So 2x plus 3y equal to 18. Sometime writing equation is a bit tricky when we use keyboard and mouse. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna select this handwritten text and then I'm gonna convert this from ink to math. And there we go. Here you can see it was able to read this whole equation. However, seems like 18 it was not able to read properly. So let's fix this. And again I'm gonna write here 1. And there we go, guys. Now let's click on insert. And that's how, guys, we can insert any mathematical expression. Let's try something, more complicated. For example, again, I'm going to write here x equal to minus 2 and then upper value is 0. And then I'm going to write here x square minus 2x and equal to 11. Now again, I'm gonna use this lasso tool and then I'm gonna select everything here. And then again, let's click on ink to math. And there we go. Again, we can see it was not able to recognize it correctly. So we can fix it. Let me erase this But still, you may able to write simple equation. For example, let's try integration here of sine x dx equal to, and so on. And now again I can click on insert, and there we go. So these were some of very productive features inside Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote, I would say, is full of features. Sometime we need to explore it more. That's all guys from my side in this video. Do let us know what do you think about these features that we showcase in this video. If you have got any questions or doubt, or you want us to review any different feature, then do let us know in comment down below. We will try to help you with that. Till then, you take care and bye bye.